Hello students, today we discuss about the properties of wire ropes. Here the property that includes the wire rope diameter, that is indicated with small d symbol, and according to the different applications we see the different tables. This first table is related to steel wire ropes for haulage purposes, which is used in mines, and the type of rope which is used becomes two different types of ropes, that is 6 by 7 and 6 by 19. We already discussed about the designation of this 6 by 7 in previous lecture. This 6 stands for number of strands, so total 6 strands are there, and 7 is nothing but the single strand contains the 7 number of wires. So this is the meaning of 6 by 7. If we see the nominal diameter, that is for 6 by 7 rope, the nominal diameter becomes 8 mm, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31 and 35. If we see the average weight for 6 by 7 wire, the average weight is 0.0347 into wire rope diameter square, that is d square. And for same type of rope, the tensile strength becomes, if we take 1600 MPa tensile strength, then for 6 by 7 the tensile strength, that is in Newton, is taken as 530 d square, and for 1800 MPa it is taken as 600 d square. In haulage application, if we take 6 by 19 type of rope, then nominal diameters becomes 13, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 32, 35, 36 and 38. Average weight becomes 0.0363 d square, and if we consider the tensile strength, then for 1600 MPa the tensile strength becomes 530 times d square, and for 1800 MPa tensile strength becomes 595 d square. Now we see the next application, that is steel wire suspension rows for lifts, elevators and hoists. These are the applications, and here we use two different types of wire ropes, that is 6 by 19 type and 8 by 19 type. For 6 by 19 type, nominal diameter becomes 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 25. If we see the average weight is 0.0383 into d square. If we see the tensile strength, and if the stress is between 1100 to 1250 MPa, the tensile strength is 385 d square, and if we see the stress is between 1250 to 1400 MPa, then tensile strength becomes 435 d square. If we see the type of rope is 8 by 19, the nominal diameters becomes 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 25. If we see the average weight, this is 0.034 d square. This is in Newton per meter. Tensile strength of wire for 1100 to 1250 MPa, tensile strength becomes 355 d square. For 1250 to 1400 MPa, for this range, tensile strength is 445 d square. If we see the next application of steel wire rope, which is used in oil wells and oil well drilling applications, then 4 different types of wire ropes are used in this application. that is 6 by 7, 6 by 19, 6 by 37 and 8 by 19. The nominal diameter becomes, for 6 by 7 type of rope, that is 10 mm, 11, 13, 14, 16, 19, 22 and 25. And if we see the approximate weight, then it is 0.037 into d square. This is in Newton per meter. If we see the ultimate tensile strength of wire in the range of 1600 to 1800, this is stress value, then for that purpose the ultimate tensile strength is 550 d square. For 1800 to 2000 MPa, tensile strength is 610 into d square. If we see the next type of rope, that is 6 by 19, the nominal diameter is 13, 14, 16, 19, 22, 25, 29, 32, 35 and 38. Approximate weight becomes 0.037 d square. This is in Newton per meter. Ultimate tensile strength is 510 d square for 1600 to 1800, 570 d square for 1800 to 2000 and 630 into d square for 2000 up to 2500. If we see in oil well drilling or oil wells application, if we see the third type, that is 6 into 37, nominal diameters becomes 13, 14, 16, 19, 22, 25, 26, 32, 35, 38. Approximate weight becomes 0.037 into d square. Ultimate tensile strength for the range of 1600 to 1800 MPa, that is 490 d square. For 1800 to 2000, that is 540 d square. 2000 to 2500, 600 d square. If we see the fourth that is type of rope, that is 8 by 19, the nominal diameter becomes 13 mm, 14, 16, 19, 22, 25, 29. Approximate weight becomes 0.0338 d square. And here for stress in between 1800 to 2000 MPa, the ultimate tensile strength becomes 530 times of d square. If we see next application for general engineering purposes such as cranes, excavators, etc. For this purpose, the types of ropes, types of ropes are there, that is 6 by 19 and 6 by 37. For 6 by 19, nominal diameter becomes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 32, 36, 38, 40. If we see the weight, average weight is 0.0375 into d square and tensile strength value is in the range of 1600 to 1750 MPa. The strength is, tensile strength is 540 into d square, and for the stress 1750 to 1900 MPa, tensile strength is 590 into d square. If we see the second type of rope, that is 6 by 37, nominal diameter becomes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52 and 56. Average weight becomes 0.038 d square and tensile strength for the stress of 1600 to 1750, the tensile strength is 510 d square, and for 1750 to 1900 MPa, tensile strength is 550 into d square. So in above this tables, we see the properties of wire ropes according to the different applications. Now we see the diameter of wire and area of wire rope. The following table shows the diameter of wire, which is indicated with small d and suffix w symbol for wire diameter, and area of wire rope is considered as, that is capital A later, for different types of wire ropes. If we see the types of wire ropes, then 6 by 8, 6 by 19, 6 by 37 and 8 by 19. These four types of wire ropes we consider here in this table. For 6 by 8 wire rope, wire diameter, that is dw, is 0.106 into d. For 6 by 19 wire diameter, dw is equal to 0.063 into d. For 6 by 37, dw is equal to 0.045 into d. For 8 by 19, dw is equal to 0.050 into d. So this becomes the wire diameter dw. If we consider the area of wire rope, that is A, for 6 by 8, A is equal to 0.38 d square. For 6 by 19, A is equal to 0.38 into d square. For 6 by 37, A is equal to 0.38 into d square. For 8 by 19, A is equal to 0.35 into d square. This is about the wire diameter and area of wire rope. Many empirical equations are used in this wire rope unit. Now if we see the factor of safety values for wire ropes, then factor of safety values which is used for increasing the safety in machines. The factor of safety for wire rope based on ultimate strength are given as follows. Application of wire rope, if we consider the application like track cables, the factor of safety is 4.2. If we consider the application is guides, then 3.5 is the factor of safety. Mine hoist, if we consider this application, and if we consider the depths up to 150 meters, then factor of safety is 8. For 300 to 600 meter depth, then F factor of safety is 7. 600 to 900 meter depth, factor of safety is 6. If depth is over 900 meters, then factor of safety is 5. Miscellaneous hoist, then factor of safety is 5. If we consider derricks application, then factor of safety is 6. Haulage ropes 6. Small electric and air hoists 7. Overhead and gantry cranes 6. Jib and pillar cranes 6. Hot ladle cranes 8. Slings 8. These are the factor of safety according to the different applications. And last topic in this discussion is sheave diameter, that is capital D, for wire ropes. If we consider the type of wire ropes, that is 6 by 7, 6 by 19, 6 by 37 and 8 by 19. If we see the recommended sheave diameter, that is capital D, minimum sheave diameter and preferred sheave diameter, these are the two values which is given here. So 6 by 7 type of wire rope, then minimum sheave diameter is 42 times D, preferred sheave diameter is 72 times D, and uses is mines, haulage, tramways. These are the applications for 6 by 7 type of wire ropes. If we consider 6 by 19, then minimum sheave diameter is 30D, preferred sheave diameter is 45D, and application is hoisting rope. For minimum sheave diameter is 60D and preferred sheave diameter 100D, uses is cargo cranes, mine hoists. Minimum sheave diameter is 20D, preferred sheave diameter is 30D, uses is derricks, elevators, tramways, whale drills. And if we consider the third type, that is 6 by 37, minimum sheave diameter is 18D, preferred sheave diameter is 27D, uses is cranes, high speed elevators and small sheaves. Types of wire rope is 8 by 19, and recommended sheave diameter is, that is minimum sheave diameter is 21D, preferred sheave diameter is 31D, uses is extra flexible hoisting rope. So in this way we see all the empirical equations and the related values for wire ropes. And here we stop our lecture, and we use these values in next topic. Thank you.